Hey everyone, I'm going to do a plucking tutorial for the ukulele with our fingers and a pick. So I'm going to start with my fingers first. So I'm going to lower my camera so you can see what my hands are doing. Okay, so in classes before we started using picks, I've always encouraged using just your thumb to pluck one string at a time. And you would pluck as if you were stroking a guinea pig's forehead with your thumb. So not a lot of movement is needed to create a warm sound on your ukulele. And then the rest of your palm, or rest of your hand, is just kind of making a thumbs up right here, and it's resting against the bottom of below the sound hole. So I'm just going first string, second string, third string, fourth string, third string, second string, first string. All right, do that a couple more times on your own. You can pause this video so you can do that. Now, when you start making some faster sounds on your ukulele, using just your thumb isn't going to cut anymore. Let's see how fast you can pluck just one string using your thumb. It's not going to get very fast before you start hitting other strings. So what we're going to start doing is we're going to be using, we're going to pretend that we have a pick in our hand. So if you don't have an actual pick, that's totally okay. You can still make the same sounds while pretending to have one. So, what you're going to do, you're going to rotate your hand back and forth, back and forth. So the only thing that should be moving is your hand and a little bit of rotation from your forearm. What you don't want is your arm to be sawing back and forth like this, because then this is what's going to happen. And that's way more movement than you need. So you're going to rotate gently down, up, 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 down, up. Now, this will allow us to do it a little bit faster if you wanted to, but you gotta start slow. So now you can do down, up, 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 down, up. And if you wanted to go even faster, you could go down, up, 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 down, up. And at this point, you will want a pick to make that sound a little bit more clear. So, same motion with the pick. I'm going to go down, up, 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 down, up. So see how little my arm was moving? All that was really doing any work was my wrist rotating my hands. So don't bring your entire forearm back and forth like we've been doing with chords, because that's not necessary here. We want to keep the movement controlled so that we pluck only one string at a time. All right, well done. Happy practicing.